Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to restore your progress in Rodeo Stampede step by step. So let's dive in. Now, first things first, Rodeo Stampede saves your progress using Google Play Games. So when you open the game, you'll usually see a message that says something like progress saved by Play Games. That's how you know your data is being backed up. Now, if you are switching to a new device or trying to recover lost progress, the most important thing is to make sure you're signed in to the same Google Play Games account you originally used. Now, this needs to be done before you start playing seriously on the new device. So, here's what to do. First, let's go ahead and exit this app. Then, you want to open the Google Play Games app on your device. So, go ahead and check the account shown at the top. This is the account Rodeo Stampede will use to restore your progress. And once you confirm you're logged into the correct Play Games account, open Rodeo Stampede again and the game should automatically detect your save data and restore your progress. Now, if it doesn't restore right away, make sure you're connected to the internet or you're using the same Google account and Google Play Games is enabled and updated. And that's it. As long as your progress was saved to Google Play Games, you can restore it or transfer it to another device without any issues. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!